clutches. And if you purchase one of our model specific hydraulic release bearing kits for your Camaro, Firebird, Corvette, Mustang, or Challenger, that kit's going to come with an adapter fitting that allows you to connect the ram bearing right to your factory master cylinder. There's a couple different adapters. We're going to show you those here and show you how a few of those work. Now, for instance, on a LS car, 9802 Camaro Firebird, or a C5 Corvette, the master cylinder is going to have a line connection here that's held in with a roll pin. And so what you're going to want to do is pop that roll pin out. That'll allow you to disconnect the factory line. And at that point, you're going to use the RAM adapter that comes in the kit, the silver fitting, and that's going to pop into the slot in the master cylinder where the factory line was connected, and then you're going to push that roll pin back in. At that point, you've got your -3 connection to connect up to the ram bearing. Now, some of the newer models, 2005 and up, are going to use a little bit different fitting and connector arrangement. This has a quick connect clip that you remove at the master cylinder, and then you're going to pop that factory line out, and then at that point the RAM adapter will pop into there, and you'll just snap that quick connect clip back in place, and at that point you've got your -3 connection once again. Now, these connections are similar if you're using a RAM pedal height adjuster. You're going to have a connection down at the factory slave cylinder and then at the master cylinder, or you may be plumbing this in between the factory line and your master cylinder. In either case, you're going to get the proper adapter fitting that's going to fit into the master cylinder to achieve that.